going to get the stuff for the
We're gonna go to the Dollar Tree and get stuff for. He wants to do a little costume. Okay, come on, Marbella. Let's go to the car. Let's go to the car. Vente. There are the kids in there. A ver, Chichi. A ver, Chichi, me gorda. But Marbella in her car and the.
We're going to the grocery store.
No, to Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree. We are going to make
I said,
chainsaw.
Alex, why button up your shirt right?
We're going to
Anyway.
make pizza man from my brother because obviously he likes deep. Oh my
Chain 97.5.
Okay, we're almost there.
Mom, you can't buy this
Is this even pink? Oh yeah.
or these.
Look, they have this one too here.
And we need a bow tie.
Well, what color
The
do you
bow
need?
tie. Oh, which color, Mom? I'm gonna get the red. Ugh.
Okay, you got that. Or should I not take it? No, I think I already have this one.
No, black for the tie.
Oh, but I could take red though, because red I did run out. I am running out of. So I'll probably take just these two. So here's this kid over here trying to get stuff.
Why did you have bow tie?
Let me see. Pick it up.
Oh yeah, for the shirt, right, Alex? Blue. Mom, we have this for the hands, this one. That's for the shirt. Oh, baby.
Yeah. Come on over here. I'm actually not even watching it because I'm all zoned out. They used to sell little squishies here. I wonder if they still sell them. Come on. Don't pull. Come on. I'm super zoned out on everything because there's so much things. Oh, they have lashes here. Should I get some?
Oh yeah, that's
Ooh, these are cute. Yeah, I'm gonna probably take these off. Man. Oh, look at this little unicorn. That's cute.
Mom, sorry to be late. We got the team stuff and stuff, so we're gonna head out home. So when we're home, we were gonna make a fun and make it. Yeah, we were gonna make the team summer.
Yeah.
Papi, me
Is that the first step?
Yeah. Time. Make it. Bye-bye. Everybody died because of the car crash. Oops. Get out. Bye. Hi guys, it's me, Alex.
What are you doing,
Just
Alex?
Making chainsaw. Look at the teeth we're making. Oh, little hand. And
Oh, wow. Let me see. Turn. Oh, wow.
thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, like notifications. have fun at home. Like and subscribe. And peace. This is the end of the video. Bye.